Step into Neo DASHCAM, where the calm of the highway can flip into pure adrenaline in a split second. Hit subscribe, keep your hands on the wheel, and enjoy the ride.
A fast foot on the pedal often slows the whole journey down. Two giants met in the middle, neither ready to step aside. Tried to take off, but forgot the runway rules. Subscribe to the channel for more real-life wrong flights caught on the road. Like a rookie daring to take on an NFL linebacker, there was never a chance. Calm behind the wheel is worth more than speed. Oh, shattered to pieces. Guess that car just applied for the Break It All Club. That was less about driving and more about theater on asphalt.
Don't give me that shit! Can I keep my window up, please? No, we're getting out of the road! No! We're getting out of the road! We're getting out of the road! Relax! Let's get out the... Yeah, we are! Get out of the way! We won!
Whoa.
Control is a choice, not a gamble. Street racing in a tunnel. Guess someone mistook it for their own Fast and Furious audition.
Whoa, mother! Whoa!
Looked like a blind date gone wrong. Cars met, sparks flew, nobody smiled. One reckless second can spark consequences no one wants. Like two parade floats squeezing into the same street, colorful but out of step. One rushed move can turn balance upside down in seconds. That spin looked more like a clumsy dance audition than a morning drive. Quick clash, lasting reminder. Like a shopping cart with a loose wheel, never where you expect it. That looked closer to a kitchen remodel. 2 fridges stuck in the doorway. Like 2 grocery carts meeting nose to nose in the aisle. Ego went full throttle. Judgment stayed parked at home. Thought gravity was optional, but the road proved otherwise. Clashed like a rookie stepping onto the NFL field, outmatched from the start. Head-on heat, balance lost. That was less driving and more like a conga line gone wrong. Like a paper plane flying into a billboard. 11. Tried to test steel with steel, but the scoreboard never changed. Oh, it's over. Wrecked to pieces in smoke. A sharp reminder that one reckless move can erase everything in an instant. Every careless move is a silent gamble. Looked like a rock concert entrance, minus the cheering crowd. They slammed into each other like it was a bumper car ride, except nobody's laughing here. Conflict on the road distracts from the only goal, getting home safe. And when the wheel disobeys, the scene turns surreal. That flip looks straight out of a cartoon, only missing sound effects.
Fucking hell.
A single rush can undo miles of safe driving. That looked more like a pinball clash than city traffic. The road leaves little space for stubborn choices. Looked less like traffic and more like a magic trick. Now you see them, now you don't.
Oh my God.
The road leaves little mercy when focus is lost.
Oh my God.
Felt closer to a runaway football play than safe driving. Even small impacts remind us that focus saves more than repairs ever can. That tumble had more spin than a laundry cycle. They crashed into each other like 2 storms colliding without a forecast. Patience costs nothing. Repairs cost plenty. The road forgives little when discipline is lost. 2 drivers argued with steel, and one ended up showing the sky its route.
More information about RSV, talk to your healthcare professional. Sponsored by Australia for Cancer Limited Company, owners of Star FDA, it is for the kids product.
Looked more like a failed diving act than a road trip. One impatient move can turn a straight road into regret. Pride took the wheel, and patience never even got in the car. They crashed into each other like thunderbolts colliding in the sky. Sudden, violent, and impossible to ignore. A calm moment saves more than a quick reaction ever will. And when ego takes the wheel, everything turns messy. That moment looked more like pinball than morning traffic. That truck nearly tipped over like it was clowning around in a circus act. They collided like linebackers at midfield. Plenty of impact, no score. More Black Friday checkout line than highway driving. One impatient move can erase miles of safe driving. A car went head-to-head with a train, like a paper boat challenging a tidal wave. One careless second can rewrite the whole trip. Lost the wheel, lost the plot. That scene felt more like pinball than city driving. Looked like two taxis fighting for the last passenger. Nobody won the fare. Easy on the gas, because one heavy foot can turn control into chaos in seconds. The car shot forward. Bam! Straight into trouble. Driving on snow like it's a joyride, only for the car to prove it's more slip and slide than highway. Weaving through traffic like the road was a racetrack ended in a crash with another car. A harsh reminder that streets aren't built for stunts. They crashed into each other like thunderbolts colliding in the sky. Sudden, violent, and impossible to ignore. Looked more like improv comedy on wheels than careful driving. Safety comes from space, not speed.
Oh my gosh.
That hit was bigger than Whitney Houston's final note. Total knockout.
Oh my gosh.
The driver turning had already entered the intersection. The other driver should have stopped at the yellow light. The fault lies with the other driver. Bus parks like a trap, driver takes the bait, then vanishes. Classic setup, messy ending. Bam! Just like that, one crash and everything's wiped clean, except the repair bill.
Video Dashcam signs off here, but your safe journey continues every time you hit the road. Subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment to keep spreading the message of safe driving.